Hey, what is up, YouTube? We are finally back ready to roll. It's been a few weeks, but the bike is finally repaired and we are back A1 and ready to keep on enjoying this two-wheel therapy, baby. Man, no better sound than your bike running with no more issues, no more leaks, no more power problems, nothing. I went ahead and had them do a full look over the bike, checked out my brakes, checked out everything, and the bike got a great stamp of approval. So we're gonna keep it moving. Ooh, bike's dusty, my helmet's dirty, got bug splatters on it. So I'll give you guys a quick look at some of downtown Louisville. We're gonna head back out the way, make one stop at the bike store, see what they got in there. So a whole lot of red lights downtown Louisville. That's the only bad part, especially if you're on a bike. And it's kind of warm today, I ain't gonna lie. It's really warm today. I'm not digging these red lights at all, not one bit. We're gonna try to go and try to find us a highway ASAP so we can get moving, get some air moving. It is hot, man. Where the hell she was going at? It's definitely not the best place to be riding a bike. Cars everywhere, people trying to pass you. I hate riding in traffic, especially in the city. Seems like people drive so much more crazier down here. I'll tell you one thing we're going to have to do. We're going to have to make a quick stop by the gas station and wipe off my damn visor. I ain't rode my bike in so long. My visor's dusty, dirty, bug splatter all over it. Let's go remedy this situation. Damn, they ain't got no damn. Oh, can't do it here. They only got no damn nothing to wipe it off with. No damn napkins. That's some BS. Some damn BS. No napkins, nothing. Alright, let's roll. Let's see how the bike's doing. Since she's been opened up. Let's go ahead and get around these guys. Oh yeah, she still feels wonderful. I can't lie. My camera's loose. Sorry if everything's a little crooked, but we're gonna make it happen. So since we're cruising on the highway, I'm gonna tell you guys what happened with the bike. It's kind of my fault. Honestly, it's all my fault, to be honest. We started off with a leak from the stator cover. After taking it to one shop, they didn't fix it. At least they thought they fixed it, it didn't fix it. So instead of taking it back to them, I tried to fix it myself, or me and my buddy tried to fix it ourselves. And we got the stator cover back on, and we heard a clink whenever we started the bike. Didn't realize what had happened, but apparently one of the dials that holds the stator cover in place ended up breaking off inside and destroying the stator. Literally bent it to pieces, messed it all up. So obviously bad stator, right? So I hop on eBay. You know, I seen stators on there that cost a lot. I seen a package deal where you can get a stator and a rectifier for 50 bucks. I was like, that's awesome, let's get it. We put it on there, still didn't work. So I was like, damn, it must have something to do with the battery. So I replaced the battery, and you guys seen the results of that video, the one before this, breaking down. Oh, damn. So, at the end of the day, moral of the story, cheap parts is what got me in trouble. It ended up being a faulty stator and rectifier that I purchased. So what they did was upgrade me to a better one. Not the Honda brand, but the Rick stator and rectifier, and put a new battery in it because the old stator and rectifier ended up killing and draining my battery so much it wouldn't drain. Let's get around these cars here. I don't like riding around these cars. There you go. Let's get around this. But anyways, ended up ruining my battery, so I had to get a brand new battery, stator, and rectifier. Basically replace everything that I ended up replacing myself, which is super aggravating because I went through a brand new battery and all of that when all this happened. So all right, let's go ahead and go. All right, let's go ahead and get on out of here. I hate traffic, man. I hate traffic with a passion. Alright, let's see if we can get on out of here. There you go. Come on over, my man. Come on over. I'm riding with bugs on my face mask. I can't get too crazy. But yeah, the moral of the story is, ended up replacing my parts again, but this time with some quality parts, and we up and rolling again. It just took so long because when you take it to a real dealership that has a warehouse, you know, it's normally full of bikes. It's tons of business. So the bike literally sat for like 3 weeks, and it only took them a day and a half or 2 days to really fix it once they started working on it. So, you know, it set me back around $500 or so, which was definitely not something that I was looking for. I could have saved myself time and money by, when I first had the leak to begin with, just taking it to them to begin with, and it would have just been a simple reseal and everything would have been fine. So moral of the story, people, don't be cheap. You may end up costing yourself more money. All right, I'm over here, buddy. Don't get over. Don't nobody get over here all crazy. I'm in your blind spot. I'm loud. My pipe's loud. No funny business. Nobody back there. Let's go ahead and go. Oh yeah. Still goes. It still goes. But man, it feels good. It feels really good to be on some two-wheel therapy. Definitely miss this bike. I'm definitely looking forward to enjoying the ride and enjoying the rest of this summer and enjoying doing what we do. So let my cousin know we're gonna link up, and we definitely gonna bring you guys some more solid content. You know, some rides, some twisties, you know, comparing the bikes and just enjoying the rest of this summer, the rest of this ride season. So I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to give you guys an update, let you guys know that we are back rolling. We're back good to go. So I think this is a good stopping point. As always, you guys be easy. Keep doing what y'all do. Safe riding.